All right, fellas, today we're gonna be making a beat for 9 Vicious. I'm not too caught up on the lore, but I've heard a decent amount of his songs and I really like the sampled gospel vibe his songs have. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to sample and how to make a beat similar to something that 406 Ahmed would make for 9 Vicious. Let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go to this website right here. It's called samplet.io and we're gonna fish for a sample. I already set the filters here to folk, gospel, and psychedelic, and right here. We need to find a gospel sample with also some vocals.
Says I've already been to the water.
Okay, this might be the one. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to declicking mode, set this to generic, and that basically makes it so whenever you cut it, it'll auto fade just like that. You see that? You don't have to fade it in yourself. And also I'm just going to add it to the mixer. Now that we have it on the mixer, let's get it on time, and I'm just going to drag this in just to get it, you know what I mean? You can kind of see the waveform, which will help you set it on time. It's going to be a little bit off. I'm just looking at the waveforms and trying to get it to hit where I want it to. So it loops right there. All right, so I have to stretch it a bit. I'm just gonna make this part unique, and then we're gonna stretch this part. I'm gonna make this part unique too. That way when I stretch this one, that one won't stretch. Basically, we're gonna have 2 different sections for our samples. Let's just stretch this like that, and then also set this to stretch. That way the key stays the same. Coming to ya, don't let me hear low. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna chop this section so we have a part, a B part, and C part. Okay, I think we're good with these. We got 3 sections here. This we'll use as an intro. This will be the A part. This will be the B part. And then also what we can do is just extract the stems here. Coming to ya, don't let me fall. The drums are gonna keep pretty simple. We just need to figure out what the key of our sample is. I think we're gonna have to speed everything up. Let's turn up the BPM a bit. Oh shit. Make sure everything is set to stretch before you mess with the BPM, because it's gonna stretch it off time. You know what I mean? So let's do about 180 something. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. Yeah, no. Coming. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. Yeah, no. Coming to ya, don't let me. I'm just gonna fix up the vocals, because the vocals are kind of throwing it off at some spots. Yeah, as a man, don't let me, fall. guys ever want to double check your bass notes, like see if your 808 is in the right key, and you guys are using a sample or you guys are using like a loop, just find the bass part of your loop or sample, and then right click on the waveform here, go to edit and pitch corrector, and then here basically it's going to tell you exactly the bass note. So it goes E, A, and then it just repeats. You can also just pitch them up a few octaves like this, and it just makes it way easier to tell what the actual note is. I have an idea. I'm gonna take this part because it has like that nice lucky kind of guitar. We're gonna use that little guitar bit right here.
Yeah, I'm coming to you.